All right, so I'm very excited today because we came here to see Luxe. Luxe is a luxury fifth wheel that actually I was happy to own one in 2015. This trailer is amazing and the quality is awesome. And we would like to thank Luxe for inviting us for that special event, and a special thanks for David, which invited me here with you guys, our filming crew. And let's take a look and let's see what Luxe have to offer. Chris got stuck with my... So we're here in Plant City. We came here for RV show, Tampa RV show, but we got invited by Luxe for a special event where they promoting the new product, which is called Luxe Elegante. And Bree is here with us, and she's gonna take us for a little tour. As I mentioned before, I am a big fan of Luxe because I used to own one in 2015, and I really regretted that I sold it.
I imagine.
Because in 2015, that Luxe, it was a 39 FB.
Yes.
I bought it for $90,000.
That's a steal.
Right now, you can't even buy half of it, probably.
Right.
You know, the big ones.
Right.
But the quality of those fifth wheels is amazing. It's basically high-end. There's no question about it. But of course, as you guys can see, they built a lot of different toy haulers, fifth wheels, luxury, fifth wheels which you can even live in. But today we're going to focus on Luxe Elegante. Elegante, which is brand new, and let's take a look, and maybe Bree can take us and show us around.
So the purpose of this product is for that to be a single rear wheel towable vehicle. So most of our products are going to be extremely well built, but for dualies. A lot of our clients are full-time RVers. We wanted to create a product that has our luxury features, but is going to have the ability to go with more trucks. Okay, so that is kind of the goal for this product. So we have a company philosophy that whenever we are looking at materials, the fiberglass, all the materials going in, we want those to be reliable, durable, serviceable. Because we work directly with our clients, we get a lot of feedback, and they want
that's awesome.
They want top tier, right? They want top shelf of materials. They don't want just what is on the shelf available. They want the best. So that's really our company philosophy, and that kind of drives a lot of the design, plus customer feedback and requests, which is why we have the Elegante. Yeah,
and correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is all paint, right?
Everything we do is fully automotive paint. Yeah, absolutely.
So in the other fifth wheels, there are stickers, decals. Fifth wheel have a different approach. They have beautiful paint, and some of those even have a paint on the side of. It's called a tsunami, right?
The tsunami is the design itself. The sidewall paint is just it continues that design through the end walls,
which is unusual.
Very,
not too many manufacturers doing that.
Absolutely.
So it is awesome. All right, we ready for the tour?
Sure, absolutely.
Let's take a look.
Well, on the outside, we've got a two-color paint. Again, it's fully automotive. We actually do triple clear all of our coaches, and then wet sand and buff. So that will reduce the ridges in between all of the different layers, creates that nice shine because they'll buff it all out. So it's going to be beautiful for years to come. We had owners come in this week, and she's like, we get stopped all the time, and they're like, oh, is that a brand new coach? She's like, no, it's 4 years old. But I mean, if you take care of that paint, it's going to last a long time.
Yeah, for sure.
So this one is 33 feet, 11 inches, so just under 34 feet. As we walk through, you'll see some of the choices that we made to try and make that lots of storage in a small coach.
And this, I heard, is 18,500 pounds.
That is the GVWR, is 18,500.
So it can be towed by what, 250 or 350? 350?
A single, I would talk to the truck guy on that. I just try not to give advice that I don't know as much about, but yes, that is the goal.
About 250, should be fine.
Yes.
All right, awesome.
So do you guys want to go inside?
Yes.
So in the living space, I've got a dinette area, you've got theater seating, you've got a hide-to-bed sofa in the rear, and then we even incorporated a little hidden storage in that TV area. So right now, you've got all of this storage back behind. So you've got hidden storage, a safe in there. There's your subwoofer for your television, but you can see we want a small footprint to live large.
And of course, residential fridge and freezer.
Residential fridge, everything we do is going to be pretty fully residential. All of our cabinetry is going to be handcrafted by the Amish.
Right.
It's all, this one is a hickory.
So I just want to say, in the regular travel trailers, the quality of those drawers are not really good quality.
Yeah.
Right. This is done completely different. This is a solid wood made by Amish, you know, which are very known for great craftsmanship.
And they're even mortise and tenon grooved. So that's the grooves on those, they're all going to slide together and lock. A lot of manufacturers, they're all hardwood doors, but they've got a lot of difference in the tier. They may 45 them together. They may just be just ends together. They're going to crack.
Yeah.
You know, the glue's going to wear off on your vibration going down the road. So up in the kitchen, it's a condensed floor plan, but you've got all of this counter space. We have an induction cooktop standard. Again, we're talking about those dovetail drawers. Nice amount of storage here. Convection microwave. We even added these beautiful residential pullouts.
Wow, this is nice.
So on the Elegante, we did do a residential glass shower door. We also wanted to do as big as we could, nice rainfall shower, toilet, and then you've got a linen closet here beside. More hanging storage. We could do shelves in here. I can do pull-out drawers. You could stick your pantry in there. And then we made 2 entrances into the bathroom. So if you have guests, they're not going to have to come into your bedroom or anything. You're not going to have to come out into the hallway in order to get to the restroom. So we made a pass-through bath here with this model.
There's like a controller somewhere, so maybe you can show it too.
Yes, it's got a remote, so you can set, and there are 2 different chambers on this. So it's it's just like a sleep number.
I remember mine have air mattress.
Yeah, and it's very comfortable. It's a newer one that they've come out with. Select Comfort, I think. Now,
it's worth to mention that in most of the travel trailers, especially with the ones I'm buying for their RV rental company that I own, the mattresses are terrible quality. They're very well known, right?
Yes.
Usually in my company, I throw them away in the garbage. They're going in the garbage.
So does everybody else.
Right.
Why did
I
they
even don't know why they put it.
Yeah.
But Luxe is a little bit different case. This mattress is even. Is it called air mattress?
It is. It's air chambered mattress, so it's got 2 separate chambers. So, you know, you can sleep at different firmnesses, just like your Sleep Number. Sleep Number kind of went out of the RV market, and they kind of took over.
Gotcha. Yeah, beautiful. And this is storage.
So you've got in your closet a nice amount of hanging storage, shoe storage below, shelving up above. In this compact floor plan, we can even accomplish a stackable washer dryer here in the closet. You could do a stackable washer dryer there. And then storage wherever we can. Overhead storage and storage below in the dresser.
Probably most of the viewers will ask, okay, how much is it? Tell us about the price.
Okay. So base price on this model is going to be $159,900. And then with all of the options, the way this one's loaded, it's got some upgrades to it. I believe we're at like $189,000. Okay. So we're definitely under $200 with this.
And what are the most expensive Luxe fifth wheels?
So if you were to completely load them up, and I'm talking like mega solar off-grid boondocking situation, you might get it up to like $340,000, but again, that solar package is like a $40,000 solar package.
We're talking about those big ones, right? The 3-axle?
Yes. Yeah. So like our rear kitchen, some of the bigger ones that we have, we can go up to 48 feet and still be road legal.
So this one is basically about $200,000 less, but you still can get a really good quality.
Absolutely, and that's what we're aiming for here, to give folks who wanted to be more maneuverable with their truck, have a lot more options for their vehicle, get into more parks and that sort of thing. Some people just want a little bit shorter, and we didn't want to compromise the quality.
That's awesome. I would like to thank you for showing us
You're welcome.
This beautiful trailer.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, not a trailer, fifth wheel. Awesome. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.